Hi friends, welcome to our channel Stock Informer. Let's dive into today's stock discussion.
Welcome to Value Verdict. Natco Pharma, a stock that has delivered blockbuster quarterly results, yet its share price swings like a pendulum. After a massive jump yesterday, the stock is down over 5% today. Why? As an experienced stock analyst, I have broken down Natco's last 4 quarters, sifted through the crucial con call transcripts, and analyzed the key products driving its fate. Stick around because the real story isn't just in the numbers, it's in the complex generics business. Natco Pharma's recent financial results are frankly phenomenal. Look at these margins. Net profit margins over 30% in the last 3 quarters. But notice the massive jump from Q3 to Q4 of FY25. This shows the classic characteristic of the complex generics business: lumpy and volatile earnings. This success is tied directly to one drug, glatiramer acetate, the generic version of Copaxone. Natco manufactured it and their partner Viatris sells it in the US. This is a limited competition, high-value drug that has filled Natco's coffers with substantial profit share income. However, management has sounded a warning. In the concalls, they forecast a moderation in earnings for the second half of this year. The high-profit generics party is facing increased competition, and the profit-sharing income is naturally expected to decline over time. So why the drop today? It's a two-punch combo. Punch 1. Profit booking. After a significant 7% to 10% rally in the previous session, short-term traders are simply cashing out their gains. Punch 2. The regulatory hangover. Earlier this week, Natco announced that the US FDA issued 7 observations in Form 483 after inspecting their Chennai API unit. While the company calls them procedural, the market hates regulatory uncertainty. Unresolved FDA issues can delay future launches, which is a major risk for a generics-heavy business. The long-term threat to their blockbuster drug, glatiramer acetate, is therapeutic substitution. Patients are shifting to easier, oral multiple sclerosis drugs, shrinking the market for injectables. Natco must evolve. The company's future growth depends on the pipeline, and the biggest word is semaglutide, the generic equivalent of Ozempic and Wegovy. Domestic phase 3 trials are on track for a potential India launch around March or April 2026. This is a huge high-value market focused on diabetes and weight loss. 2 other factors matter. 1. Natco is planning to demerge its crop health sciences, agribusiness, a classic move to unlock value by separating the growth stories. 2. The recent acquisition of a stake in Adcock Ingram gives them a crucial foothold in the South African market. Finally, let's talk valuation. Despite the volatility, Natco trades at a relatively low PE ratio of around 15.5 times, significantly lower than the sector average. This suggests that if they can resolve the FDA issues and successfully launch semaglutide, the stock is currently undervalued. My final call on Natco Pharma remains a hold with a positive long-term bias. You have a great underlying business, but the short term is risky due to moderating generic income and the FDA observations. Monitor 2 things closely: the speed and success of their FDA response and the timeline for the semaglutide launch. What do you think? Is Natco a buy, hold, or sell right now? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this analysis helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dive stock reports. Thanks for watching.
That's all for today's market update. If you gained valuable insights, please consider liking this video. For continuous access to our expert analysis on Indian share market results and announcements, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Your support by sharing this video with your network is also highly valued. Thank you for tuning in.